The Keystone Sanitary Landfill wants to expand upward, and nearby homeowners have a lot of questions and concerns.
How big it will be scares me.
Lisa Zamko and her 20-year-old son worry about how much out-of-state garbage may be coming in.
This dump is really discouraging me from wanting to live here, and having a landfill as our only economic backbone here is a little sad, if you ask me.
Monday, people got to ask their questions one-on-one with state environmental officials. The Pennsylvania Department of Health also announced details on a public health study it'll be conducting in Dunmore and Troup, trying to determine if an expansion would negatively impact the environment.
DEP will take water samples at different points around the landfill as well as going out. They'll set up air monitoring stations in different communities.
Between June, July, and August is when a majority of the samples will be taken. The final report should be finished by early next year.
Our goal is to look at the data and then give an honest opinion based on the best science that we have.
I'm glad that they care enough to do that, and they're looking at it, and that, if it comes up to be harmful, I hope it could be stopped.
State officials say a final decision on the landfill's expansion request won't be made until after the health study and other state reviews take place.
This is a process that we still have about a year to go until we make a final decision.